What is crackin', folks? I'm Dylan and you're watching H3 Humper. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get your floor mats looking like new with a simple and cost-effective method. So hop in your car and drive on over to the nearest super cheap self-serve car wash. I like to use the car washes that have a card payment option. Those hung up, time to charge it up. Go time. I start off with the soap setting. Look at that filth coming off of there. Alright, now that they're blasted for a good long while with the high pressure soap and the soap's running white, which I know all the dirt's out, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the high pressure rinse. Alright, and this is what it's looking like so far, blasting with clean water. Alright, that's nice and clean. I'll go ahead and take that one down. And here they are all cleaned up. And back to the high pressure soap and onto the rear floor mats. Back to the rinse again. That one's all done and onto the cargo mat. As you can see, mine's pretty nasty. With the soap running white and clear, free of dirt color now, I'll go ahead and switch to the rinse and get this last piece done. And wow, that is looking good. Time to let them dry. Wow, that's looking good. Should have taken a before and after, but I always forget. Looking good. I hope you found this little guide helpful. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Get down. Good boy. Good boy!